Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Resetting your YCC365 Plus camera is a simple process that fixes many connection issues. You might need a reset if the camera is not pairing or if you forgot your password. First, make sure your camera is plugged into a power source. Look for the small reset button on the device. Some models have a physical button on the back or bottom. Other models hide the button under a rubber flap near the SD card slot. You may need a small pin or a paperclip to reach it. Once you find the button, press and hold it down firmly. Keep holding the button for about 10 seconds. You will hear a voice prompt saying that the reset was successful. The camera might also make a rotating sound or blink its lights. Release the button once you hear the prompt. Wait for the camera to finish its startup sequence. This usually takes about 1 minute. Now open the YCC365 Plus app on your smartphone. Delete the old camera profile from your device list. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network again. Make sure your phone is on a 2.4 GHz network for the best results. Scan the QR code on the screen with the camera lens. The camera will beep once it reads the code. Wait for the app to confirm the connection is complete. Your camera is now restored to factory settings and ready to use. This simple process clears all previous data and lets you start fresh with a clean camera setup today.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.